Today, we're going to build an X-Wing fighter using 6 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
Grab your 1x1 tile with clip on top and turn it so that the kind of clips are on the top and bottom and that open hole is on the sides. And the reason you do that is because it gives us enough room to put these tiny minifigure hands on. And to put those hands on, you want to make sure that that part that just goes a little bit further down than the other side is in the middle of this tile clip. So we just put it on the side, and then, of course, it's going to be a little bit of a tight fit. And then we do that on the other one, same thing, where the thicker part is going towards the middle of that tile piece, and then you have to kind of adjust them, these little sides, so that they're perfectly aligned just right there, and they fit nicely and give the body of the X-Wing a little girth and also take on the form of the S-foils. And now here's the thing, when I first found this on Pinterest, I loved it. I thought, oh my goodness, this is genius. It's like the most interesting design I've ever seen for an X-Wing fighter micro. But then, like a few days later, I'm like, I don't know if I really like it. Does it really take on the form of an X-Wing? Would people know what it is? I mean, it's just such a unique look, but it's also a unique design. So I decided, you know what? I'm just going to build it, do a tutorial, and just let you guys decide whether you like this design or not. But it's definitely interesting and unique enough to warrant doing a tutorial. So now that that's all on, we've got that clip here, and we're going to grab a unicorn horn. And these unicorn horns are not the most popular pieces, and they don't come in a lot of colors. So I went with white because it's close enough in color to the X-Wing fighter that I thought that's the color I want to use. And now with the Unikitty series, maybe they'll be making more colors, but who knows. But after we put that clip into our unicorn piece, we have a complete X-Wing fighter.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.